So the second reason is that feeding the poor, and you are giving out of charity. That is a sadaqah also. This sacrifice is also a sadaqah, a charity that you are giving, that you are sacrificing the animal and you are distributing the meat to the poor. There are many poor people who are not able to have meat. Meat is good food, it is expensive food, and they are not able to have that. So during this time, this period of year, they can have that meat. So that is also the reason. The Quran says, وَالَّذِينَ فِي أَمْوَالِهِمْ حَقٌّ مَعْلُومٌ لِلسَّائِلِ وَالْمَحْرُومِ, that those in whose wealth is known right, لِلسَّائِلِ وَالْمَحْرُومِ, for the one who asks and the one who is deprived but doesn't ask, that for mahroom, the one who is ashamed to ask but does not have. So the charity is also the reason that you feed the poor. And in those times, cattle was the property of people. Cattle was a property, and the person sacrificed out of that and he fed those who were needy. And that is also that you are giving out of your wealth, out of your possession. Further, I would like to address the so-called vegans, the so-called people who criticize animal sacrifice. They will say that killing animal is wrong because they are living being. So I would tell them that stop eating plants. Why are you eating plants? Why are you uprooting them? Plants also have life. Why are you being so unscientific? Why are you breathing? Stop breathing. By each breath you are killing hundreds or thousands of microorganisms you are killing. Why are you doing that? In today's times, in corona time, people are using sanitizer and all these stuff to kill the microorganisms. Why? Because that may harm you like that. But taking a life for fun is wrong. The Islam doesn't allow that. For fun, if you are taking a life, that is totally wrong, that is haram. But Allah says, Kulu min tayyibati ma razaqnakum. In Surah Bakra, Surah number 2, ayat number 172, Allah says, Kulu min tayyibati ma razaqnakum, that eat of the good things we have provided for you. So the cattle, the halal food, the halal animals which Allah has provided, you can eat out of them. You can sacrifice them, you can slaughter them, and you can have their meat. So that is what the Quran says. Because God has provided you the animals, so when required you can have their meat and you can sacrifice also. But those people who say that, oh, you are sacrificing, it is so brutal, then why are you uprooting the plants? If you are so concerned about plants, why don't you wage this activism against the deforestation? Because if you are cutting down trees, you are cutting so many trees, there is deforestation, there is urbanization and trees are being cut down, and there is global warming due to that. Because the trees, they absorb the CO2, carbon dioxide, which is one of the main cause for the global warming. It is a greenhouse effect gas. So you stop cutting the trees. Don't bother about animals, because scientifically, if you see that these cattle, they multiply very fast. They multiply very fast. Each year you see we are sacrificing so many animals, and again next year there are again so many animals in abundance. See, the halal thing which we usually eat, they are in abundance. They are in abundance. That is the thing, because Allah has provided you.